He was the man at the center of the IPL scam, but Gurunath Mayappan decided to clam up in the Supreme Court. Arrested for betting on his team, the Chennai Super Kings, Gurunath refused to disclose if he is a CSK team official or not. His father-in-law, the BCCI chief in exile, N. Srinivasan, on his part, once again pleaded to allow him to contest the BCCI elections.
Gurunath Mayappan, the central focus of the IPL scandal, choosing to remain silent in the Supreme Court in response to allegations. Mayappan defending himself in the court, refusing to disclose if he is a team official of CSK or not.
Telling the court he has a right to defense and a right to be silent. Meanwhile, the Apex Court reminding and cautioning Mayappan that all others, including Chennai Super Kings and Srinivasan, have accepted to him being a team official.
Even as Gurunath clams up in the Apex Court, his father-in-law, N. Srinivasan, is repeatedly pleading for a comeback into BCCI, making a last-ditch effort to contest the elections and offering to step aside once again if elected as the BCCI president.
BCCI अध्यक्ष का चुनाव लड़ने दिया जाए. अगर अध्यक्ष मैं बन जाता हूं तो जब तक जांच चलेगी तब तक मैं किसी भी कैपेसिटी में BCCI के बैठक में, IPL गवर्निंग काउंसिल के बैठक में, किसी भी बैठक में हिस्सा नहीं लूंगा.
While cricket's custodians received a rap from the Apex Court, their plea to postpone the BCCI AGM and elections till 31st of January was accepted.
The AGM अभी कोर्ट ने डिफर किया है 31 जनवरी तक, तो कोर्ट ने डिफर किया तो ऑनरेबल कोर्ट का जो भी डायरेक्टर होगा सबको मानना पड़ेगा.
Rightly by the Honorable Supreme Court has been given a lot of observations, and I hope they don't let it just go like that. They should go and probe the entire thing thoroughly, because the monies that go to association, that is being misused. Financial manuals are not being followed. There's no proper structure in any of these associations.
Even with cricket's image taking a beat, the BCCI is busy saving its own. Man in the center point of the scandal clams up, and the other wants his throne back. Sports Bureau, Times Now.